bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
Babe, I've mopped the floor, all of it. I've hanged clothes, all of them. I've washed dishes, all of them. And your food is in the microwave, all of it. But I have to ask, can I go see my friends fast? I'm not gonna be long.
خطيرة ويليان ثالث مرة ويليان ثالث مرة ويليان ثالث مرة جول ثالث مرة جول ثالث مرة جول الأولى لا الثانية لا الثالثة بالقوة تدخل.
Every now and then, my woman, but when are you going to man up, my guy?
Now?
Man up, my brother.
Man up, you see you're a nice guy.
Why didn't
Don't be a nice guy.
Don't be a nice guy. You see, women, they don't like nice guys. They have to be an alpha male. Do you know what's an alpha male?
I don't know.
An alpha male is the man of the house. An alpha male is the man that their word falls on somebody like a sword. An alpha male is aggressive. An alpha male is angry, not nice.
Yes.
You have to be the man of the house.
Man of the house.
You have to be.
You have to be the man of the house.
The man of the house.
You know what you must do now? You go where? Straight home. You go to your woman. Listen to me, look at me here. You look at her straight in the eyes and you say, woman, woman,
I'm the man.
woman.
I'm the man.
And whatever you say after is what? Goes. Whatever you say goes after.
You must listen.
Go.
You are the man.
The man of
You
the
are
house.
the man of the house.
Yes.
I'm aggression.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm the man.
Yes, you are.
Woman. I just wanted to ask, is there any more dishes I can do? Right?